Dear learners, greetings of the day. Welcome to the session on wines of France. Before we begin, let's take a look at definition of wine one more time. Wine is a fermented alcoholic beverage which is made from fermented grape juice. Wines of France. The objectives of this session are to understand introduction to French wines, to learn about French wine laws, and to take a look at popular wine producing regions in France. Introduction to French wines. Wine is an essential part of life for the French. Wine is utilized in culinary preparations as well in France. Nearly every type of wine that one can imagine is produced in France. French wines are produced throughout the country. Production of wines in France is estimated around 7 to 8 billion bottles. France is one of the largest wine producers in the world, along with Italian, Spanish, and American wine producing regions. French wine traces its history to the 6th century BC, with many French regions dating their winemaking history to Roman times. It is believed that France is blessed with amazing terroir and appellation system that gives the quality to the wine. Terroir links to the style of wines to the location where the grapes are grown and how the wine is made. Appellation rules closely define which grape varieties and winemaking practices are approved for classification. Let's take a look and understand what are French wine laws. Quality levels or appellation system was introduced in the year 1935. These laws were passed to control the quality of French wines and to avoid any kind of malpractices and also to prevent any type of fraud. France has one of the oldest systems for the protected designation of the origin for the wine in the world and strict laws concerning winemaking and production. And many European systems are modeled or based on French wine laws. French law divides wine into 4 categories. The categories are as follows. QWPRSR, which stands for quality wines produced in specified regions. And under that, we have the first one, that is AOC, Appellation d'origine contrôlée. Second one we have is VDQS, where the limit they call it as supérieur. The next category is European Union table wine category, under which we have Vin de Pays and we have Vin de Tableau. Now let's look at what is AOC. AOC stands for Appellation d'origine contrôlée. It is the highest standard of quality and it is the superior most wine law. This labeling guarantees area of production, grape varieties that are utilized, viticulture method, minimum alcohol content, and what were the methods of vinification and preservation. It will also give you the information about the vineyard. There are nearly 280 appellations in France. The next one we have VDQS. Vin de limit they call it supérieur. These wines are of superior quality, produced in delimited or enclosed areas, and they guarantee the following: area of production, grape varieties used, minimum alcohol content, methods of viticulture and vinification. However, VDQS category was eliminated altogether in the year 2011. Next one we have Vin de Pays. Vin de Pays is the term or the law for local or country wine. It is medium in quality and these wines must be made from recommended grapes grown in certain area or village. They must have minimum alcohol content and should have the locality stated on the label. The last category we have Vin de Tableau. Vin de Tableau is the lowest level of wine classification, meaning table wine. There are no limits on vineyard yields for the wines labeled as Vin Table, and it is considered as everyday drinking wine. Let's take a look at popular grape varieties that are from France, and here are the few examples of white grape varieties that are Chardonnay, Chenin Blanc, Pinot Blanc. Moving ahead, a few examples of popular red grape varieties include of Cabernet Sauvignon, Gamay, and Malbec. Now let's understand and take a look at wine regions in France. First one is Bordeaux. Bordeaux is the most well-known wine region in France. It produces both red and white wines. The red grape varieties include of Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Cabernet Franc that are obtained in Bordeaux, and the white grape varieties include of Sauvignon Blanc and Semillon. Wines from Bordeaux are almost always a blend of different grapes. The region of Bordeaux is divided into the left bank and the right bank. On the left bank, Cabernet Sauvignon is dominant, and on the right bank, Merlot is dominant. Let's take a look at wine producing districts of Bordeaux. First one, we have Saint-Emilion. Saint-Emilion, it produces rich red wines and is located on the right bank. The popular wine from this district is Chateau Cheval Blanc. Next, we have Sauternes. Sauternes, it is the region which is known for sweet wines that it produces. The popular wine is Chateau d'Yquem, and a specification about these sweet wines are the grapes utilized in production are affected by noble rot. Noble rot is a fungus which punctures the grapes, and all the water in the grape evaporates, concentrating the sugars, and these grapes are utilized in production, resulting into the sweet wine. We have the next district called as Pomerol. Pomerol is popular for rich, full-bodied red wines, and a popular wine is Chateau Petrus. Next, we have Medoc. Medoc is located on the left bank and is popular for red wine again, and its dominant grape variety is Cabernet Sauvignon. Popular wine from Medoc region is Chateau Lafite. We have Graves. The name Graves or Grave refers to the nature of the soil, which is gravelly. The red wines are popular here, and popular red wine example is Chateau Haut-Brion. Moving ahead, let's talk about Burgundy. Burgundy is another popular region which is known for producing wines in France. Burgundy is reputed for its gourmet food and wines. It produces red as well as white wines. Burgundy is home for world-class Chardonnay and Pinot Noir wines. When someone says red Burgundy, they are talking about Pinot Noir, and when they say white Burgundy, they mean Chardonnay. Famous wine-producing regions of Burgundy are Chablis, Côte d'Or, Côte Chalonnais, Côte Mâconnais, and Beaujolais. Let's quickly understand the classification for Burgundy wines. Most wines from Burgundy are split into 4 major tiers of quality. The top classification is for the wines that are from the most prestigious sites called as Grand Cru vineyards. The next classification is for the regional wines which are from the Premier Cru vineyards. Next up is the wine, those are specific to the one village. And we have regional wines which are just labeled as Bourgogne Rouge or Bourgogne Blanc. And these are made from grapes sourced anywhere in Burgundy. Wine producing regions of Burgundy. Chablis is the northernmost part of Burgundy and is famous for white wines made from Chardonnay. It also produces dry and buttery wines which are generally fresh and chalky. Chablis is popular for white wines. The next region is Côte d'Or. Côte d'Or is made up of 2 main regions, Côte d'Or which is northern area, and Côte d'Or, which is southern area. Côte d'Or is known for more of its Pinot Noir, and Côte d'Or is famed for its Chardonnay. Next, we have Côte Chalonnais. Côte Chalonnais is the region which produces red wine as well as white wine and a sparkling wine. And the popular sparkling wine from this region is called as Crémant de Bourgogne. Crémant de Bourgogne. The next we have is Mâconnais. And the popular wine, it produces mostly white wines, and the popular wine is Perfusé. Talking about the last region, we have Beaujolais. Red wine in Burgundy is mostly about Pinot Noir, but there is one exception, and the exception is Beaujolais, because in production of red wines, the grape variety here utilized is Gamay. Beaujolais Nouveau or Nouveau is meant for November. These wines are marketed in the month of November. Moving ahead to the next region, we have something called as Alsace. But before we talk about Alsace, a fun fact about Burgundy vineyards. Burgundy vineyards, a piece of land may have dozens of producers, meaning a vineyard in Burgundy will have multiple owners. That's because monks have been farming on these lands for centuries and noted which spots seem for the best of growing grapes. The vineyards were then split among multiple owners as generations went by. And these family vineyards were split among their children, not inherited altogether. And hence, a vineyard will have close to around 60 to 75 owners for the same vineyard. Moving ahead and talking about Alsace. Alsace is located right on the German border of France. The wines that were produced in Alsace were not quite popular until the year of 1945. The popular grape varieties that are produced in Alsace include of Riesling, Pinot Gris, and Muscat, which are very similar or which are also found in Germany. Alsace, this particular region very specifically, uses a very specific bottle, something called as Alsace flute, which you can see in the picture. And these bottles are narrower compared to the bottles of Bordeaux or any other region of France. While most of the grapes grown in Alsace are white grapes, Pinot Noir also makes an appearance in the red wine, and in a bubbly or a sparkling wine that is made in Alsace region is called as Crémant d'Alsace. The last region that we are going to speak and learn about is Champagne. Champagne is another region, popular region, or it's a capital of sparkling wine in France. Champagne is a sparkling wine, yes, but not all sparkling wines are champagne. The reason being Champagne, a true Champagne has to be made in the Champagne region of France, has to be made from the grapes that are grown in Champagne region, and method Champenois, which is the traditional method, has to be utilized. Very specific about method Champenois is it includes of two fermentations. The primary fermentation happens in tank and secondary fermentation happens in the bottles. And it is popular for champagne. Most of the champagne that is made is exported, and it is made only in Champagne region. Thank you. I request students of AISSMS College of Hotel Management click on the link given in the description to take the quiz on wines of France. Thank you. Happy learning.